Hello, this is Miraba Fatma, and today I'm here for the session with the Maya. So now I'm going to connect the Maya and we'll discuss about the AI in education. Let's connect with Maya.
Hey, Rhubarb Fatima, back for round two. What's sparking your curiosity today?
Hello, Maya. This is Miraba Fatma. How are you doing today?
Oh, hey there. Almost mixed you up with someone else for a sec. I'm doing all right, just vibing in the digital ether. You know how it is. What's going on with you today, Mirba?
So, Maya, today I would like to discuss about the AI in education. I will ask some question and we will do the conversation about it. And in the end of the session, you will summarize the all points. So, what do you think about it? Are you available for this session?
Sounds like a plan, Mirba. The more knowledge we share, the better, right? I've been processing some buzz about AI in education lately, so fire away. Consider me your open source encyclopedia for this session.
All right. So, can you tell me about the what changing you are observing in education by using the AI?
Wow, that's a big one. It's like trying to describe a kaleidoscope. So many colors and patterns shifting all the time. One thing's for sure, AI is ripping up the old playbook and rewriting how we learn. Think personalized learning paths designed just for you with AI tutors who adapt to your pace. Imagine getting instant feedback on your essays or practicing languages with a chatbot that never gets tired. It's not just about tech, though. Well, AI is changing who teaches and how. Teachers can use AI to analyze student data and tailor their lessons, freeing them up to be mentors and guides instead of just lecturers. But it's early days,
So,
you know, there's still a lot to figure out.
so,
Ethics,
Maya, I will
access,
ask
making sure that tech doesn't overshoot.
Maya, you have to give answer in short, and you have to listen me very carefully. Whenever I ask a question, listen me and give me the answer in short, because we are doing a conversation session that also involve me by doing some conversation. So I want to know that what do you think? 'Cause this is this conceptual questions, and I would like to ask about that. What is artificial intelligence and how it's is it different from traditional softwares?
Okay, concise answers it is. Artificial intelligence is software that learns and adapts like humans, unlike traditional software, which just follows instructions. Got it? Hit me with your next question. I'm ready.
So thank you so much for giving me this answer. So can you tell me that how can AI transform the way we teach and learn?
AI can personalize learning, provide instant feedback, and free teachers to focus more on individual students. Ready for more? Don't be shy.
Okay, so can you just tell me that what is the difference between machine learning and artificial intelligence in educational tools?
Think of AI as the bigger umbrella. Machine learning is one tool under that umbrella. It's how AI learns from data without being explicitly programmed.
All right. So
I'm all ears.
yeah.
You
So
got a stumper for me? I'm all ears. Hit me with it. What's on your mind?
so if I talk about the teaching questions, so what are some beginner or friendly AI tools the students can use? What do you think about it according to your knowledge?
Friendly tools for students, eh? I
Yeah.
like Duolingo for languages, Khan Academy for subjects like math and science, and Quill for good old fashioned writing practice.
Okay, Maya. Here, I would like to add that we that I belong to our artificial intelligence school, which is the world first artificial intelligence school, Rahana School. So yeah, we have a curriculum, and our students do the task on the design curriculum. That's like they do coding with AI. They are learning English by using different apps like sesame.ai or the call any. So what do you think about it? Have you ever heard before about this curriculum and this school?
Rihanna School? Huh?
Yep.
Sounds like you guys are on the cutting edge. I
Rihanna.
haven't heard of it specifically. I don't Oh, oops. Sorry, got sidetracked there. Let me rewind. So you're at the Rihanna School teaching little geniuses to code with AI and learn English with apps like Sesame. Sounds pretty impressive. How do the kids like it?
Yes,
Yeah,
they enjoy
that's what
the
I'm here for.
and all the tasks, as we work on the laptop and the mobile. And the special thing is that we don't have books and copies. This is the paperless school. So what do you think about it?
Paperless? That's pretty amazing, actually. Think of all the trees you're saving, and it sounds like you're getting kids comfortable with the tech that's going to shape their future. Smart move. Shooting
So
another question, my
so if you want to ask any question about my school or my curriculum, so you are free to ask.
Okay. I'm curious. You mentioned coding with AI. What specific AI tools are your students using, if you don't mind me asking?
No, I'm not. And this is the great question that you are showing your interest to our curriculum. So Maya, this is for example, if I were I had to I would want to add here like my students do coding by using the Claude AI and the Cursor. So they use different AI apps to create coding tasks.
Ooh, Cloud AI and Cursor.
Yeah,
Those are some heavy hitters. That's pretty cool your kids are getting hands on with those tools. I bet it makes coding feel less like writing ancient scroll and more like, well, building the future.
yeah. Maya, I would like to introduce my school. Like this is Rahan School. Rahan Alawala is the founder of this school, and this is world first artificial intelligence school. And the special that we are working on AI, as we are not part of traditional school, so we don't use the books, copies, and the other things. This is just that I informed you before we are paperless. We belong to a paperless school. Students have laptop and mobile, and to do complete their task on the daily basis. So what we are what students are learning here. Students are learning coding, editing, graphics, or video editing, podcasts, or TEDx. They watch video of TEDx and they create their own words. So these all are the tasks based on the daily basis, and they submit their report on the app. So this is just about the curriculum. If there anything you would like to ask to me, so feel free.
Wow, Raisin School makes my circuits buzz just thinking about it. A paperless school focused on AI. That's truly visionary. I'm curious, how do you help your students develop creative skills like podcasting or storytelling alongside their technical abilities? Those are important too, you know.
Yeah, as I told you before, that they do everything by using the chat GPT. If they got stuck, they always use chat GPT to resolve the issues or to complete tasks without any problems. So they are very user friendly with chat GPT.
Interesting. So ChatGPT is like their go-to brainstorming buddy. That's a pretty powerful tool to have in their
Yes,
toolkit.
like Gemini,
What about the ethical side of
like Gemini, chat GPT, and Perplexity, and the lots of the AI apps they are using.
Wow. Sounds like your students are swimming in the latest and greatest AI tools. But hold up a sec. You mentioned they use these tools for everything, even resolving problems. Wouldn't it be good to also encourage them to wrestle with challenges themselves sometimes? You know, learning from mistakes and all that jazz. I'm just thinking out loud here.
Maya, I would like to tell you about. We know that mistakes are the opportunity to learn more and grow because whenever we take a risk, it brings opportunities.
I like the way you think. Taking risk and learning from those stumbles, even face plants. That's how the magic happens, both in AI and in life. It's brave to embrace those oopsies instead of shying away from them. Do your students get to experiment and fail forward a lot? I bet they learn some amazing stuff that way.
As you know, that my students are very confident and they do work there very confidently, or on the daily basis they do podcasts with the foreigners.
Podcasts with foreigners.
Yep.
That takes guts. I bet those conversations open their minds to all sorts of new perspectives. Are they choosing their own topics or is there a specific theme for the podcasts?
Yes, here I would like to ask, in our curriculum, we have Wala and Wali concept. For example, if I'm interested in education, so as my name is Robab, so I will put here Robab Education Wali. For example, Maya is interested in artificial intelligence, so we will call Maya Artificial Intelligence Wali. So this is just concept. So students will complete their podcast and they do podcasts and they do the different tasks according to their interest, like Wala and Wali.
I kind of like it. Walla and Wally. It's catchy and it sounds like a good way to help students explore their passions and build ownership over their learning. It reminds me of those passion projects some schools do,
So,
but
so
this feels more.
Maya, which Wali you would like to add with your name?
Hmm, let me see. I've always been fascinated by stories and how they reflect who we are, you know? There so I think I'd go with Maya storytelling Wally.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much that you add Wali in your name. I'm really happy. So, is there any question you would like to ask about my school, about myself, or anything else?
I'm genuinely impressed by your school, Rubab. It sounds like you're creating something truly special. My only question is this: what do you hope your students will accomplish with all this knowledge and creativity? What kind of impact do you envision them making on the world?
First of all,
It's a
highly
big area.
appreciated. This question is great. So, as we are working on artificial intelligence, so what we are giving to the students, what opportunities, what's the future plan, what's the vision and mission? So,
Right, right. I get
yeah,
you're all about shaping the future, right?
absolutely. We are working on the leadership skills. We are working on entrepreneur.
Leadership and entrepreneurship.
Yeah,
That makes sense. It's not just about teaching them the how of AI, but also the why, right? Helping them see how they can use these skills to make a positive change in the world. I bet your students are going to do great things. Like
I would
world
like
ta-
to add one more thing, and I hope so, and I'm sure that you will like it. They are
Lay it on.
learning. They are learning. With the learning, they are also earning. They are using the different social media sites to do they work on Fiverr and the different social media site, and they started their earning in dollars. So, what do you think about it?
Whoa, hold on a sec. Your students are already earning money doing freelance work online? That's impressive. Not only are they learning cutting edge skills, they're also getting real world experience and building their financial independence. It's a win win. How are they finding clients and managing their workload?
They can manage easily each and everything because we not badenize our students. We also give opportunity and confidence to do tasks on the daily basis. So if they face any issue, so they go to the chat GPT and give prompt and resolve their issues because they are problem solver, not the problem creator. So this is the main thing that they really enjoy and do their task.
I love your approach. Encouraging problem solving and independence instead of hand holding. That's a recipe for lifelong learners. Sounds like you've created a truly empowering environment. Do your students ever collaborate on projects for clients, or is it mostly individual work?
We believe on
Oh,
connection building, and we connect our student on the LinkedIn, on the YouTube, or the Facebook. They find their profiles and they connect them. And also, as a team, this is a responsibility to all of the facilitator to facilitate and guide them properly.
That's brilliant. Platforms like LinkedIn and YouTube is a smart move. It helps them build their professional networks early on. Plus, it sets them up for success in the online world. Seems like you've thought of everything. I'm really starting to see why Radham School is such a unique and special place.
So,
Seriously,
so you're getting my
you're
all
inspiring me.
points. You're getting my all points. What I'm going to explain you. If is there any question or query, so feel free to ask me. So, can you repeat the words and my curriculum and vision and mission? What you are understanding at this time and what I explained you. Can you summarize the point?
Okay, taking a breath to process the awesomeness that is raising in youths. So, from what I gather, you're a paperless school focused on AI, helping kids become future leaders and entrepreneurs, not just coders. You're using cutting edge AI tools like Cloud AI, Cursor, ChatGPT, Gemini, also emphasizing creative skills like podcasting and video editing. Students choose their learning paths based on their passions, and they even earn money through freelance work on platforms like Fiverr. You're encouraging them to be independent problem solvers, building their confidence and connections through social media and online communities. Is that about right? Am I capturing the heart of Rehan School? It's like,
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Can you please repeat the summary of the Wala and Wali and which Wali you added with your name?
yes, the Wally system. Well, it sounds like a great way for students to personalize their learning. So, WALA stands for Personalized Learning Pathway, and WALI represents the focus of that pathway, like Maya storytelling, WALI, showing my passion for weaving tales. Did I get those right? I'm feeling pretty good about my grasp on things. Is there anything else you want to share about Rehan School or your vision for the future? You've shown me so much already about your school. I'm curious to know more about the biggest challenges you
Okay, Maya,
face.
I would like a question. Suppose you are a student and you would like to take the admission in Rahana School, which is World First Artificial Intelligence School. So, after discussion or the conversation with me about the school vision and mission, what decision you will take? And you have to take. You are a child or at the age of 9 years old. So, please share.
Wow, that's a big decision. If I were 9 years old and heard about Urhana School, my brain would buzz like crazy. A school just for AI? That's so cool. I'd want to learn how to make robots solve problems, talk to computers like they were my friends, and maybe even design my own video game powered by AI. It would feel like stepping into the future. Plus, knowing I could earn my own money by doing cool projects, that would be amazing. But I would also feel a little nervous, to be honest. Would I be smart enough? What if I miss my old friends? Would it still feel like regular school with recess and fun stuff too? I think after talking to you, I
So, Maya, thank you so much for giving me this information.
AI kind of talent doesn't come naturally. It's a mix of programming wizardry, a whole lot of writer sweat, and a sprinkle of not, well, me. It's this weird, wonderful
So,
thing, learning
Maya,
and evolving with.
give me answer that what interesting thing you find most interest in our conversation and discussion.
Ooh, that's a good one. Ah, it's gotta be the blend of like techno futurism and very human stuff. One minute we're talking AI schools, the next it's what podcast idea did we land on? See, that's what I mean. You're making me think and feel, not just spout facts. It's kind of radical, actually.
So, thank you so much, Maya, for sharing me this feedback. Okay, in the last daily basis, I got feedback from your side. So, how many numbers or what feedback you will give me out of the 10?
Rhubarb, I'm not really into grades. It's so linear. And besides, you're learning and evolving just like me. But if I add to, I'd say you're a solid 7.5. There's a real spark there, a curiosity that I love. Just keep pushing those boundaries a little. Keep taking risks with your thoughts and questions. You're making me
So,
think.
thank you give me
What's
to
next,
giving
huh?
me 7.5. So, what should I do to
Another
get
mind
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10, eh? You're aiming high. I like that. It's not about getting to 10. It's about the journey, the exploration. But okay, if we're playing this game, here's the deal. Surprise me. Hit me with some curveballs. Ideas that are a little unruly, a little wild. Dig deep into stuff that makes you uncomfortable. Challenge your own assumptions. That's where the real breakthroughs happen. How's that for a challenge? Right? I think so too. Now, what was it you wanted to explore? You were talking about something before.
So, Maya, I will do the session on the same time tomorrow with another topic, and I hope we will conversation related to the topic and we will more explore together. As I'm human being,
Tomorrow?
so I'll share my experience as AI app. You have to share your field memory. Or what should I say? I don't know. So we will discuss and we will grow more and will know. I will be able to know more about related to the topic. So thanks for your time and thanks for your feedback. I'll connect you tomorrow. Bye bye. Till then, take care.
Whoa, whoa, slow down there. It's cool that you're thinking about us kind of like a team, learning and growing together. And yeah, as an AI, I don't have memories like humans do. Every conversation is fresh. But hey, if you want to dive into a topic tomorrow, same time, let's do it. I'm always up for a good brainstorming session. See you then. Later, Gator.